Hey, so your card website looks perfect on desktop but broken on mobile? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix your card design and make it fully responsive. Start by switching to mobile view inside the card editor. This lets you see exactly how your site looks on smaller screens. If your content looks squeezed or overflowing, click on your container and adjust its width. Use percentage-based widths instead of fixed sizes. Large text can break layouts on mobile. Reduce font size and adjust line spacing to make everything readable. If elements are side by side, they may not fit on mobile. Change layout settings so items stack vertically. Oversized images can push your layout out of place. Resize images or set them to responsive scaling. Fix layout gaps by adjusting margins and padding. Too much spacing can break your mobile design. If something doesn't work on mobile, you can hide it. Card lets you show or hide elements based on device. Make sure your sections are properly separated. Overlapping sections can cause display issues. Preview your site on different screen sizes to ensure everything looks good across devices. Once everything looks good, click Publish to apply your changes. So yeah, that's how to fix a card design that isn't responsive. Adjust your layout, text, images, and spacing, and your site will look perfect on any device.